see how high we can go.
It might be P.
Go to P at least.
These are the elevators at the InterContinental in downtown Miami.
I think these are some of the first touchscreens ever installed.
Yeah.
What year?
2015.
Like 2014, 2015. Bobby?
Yeah. Yeah, these are definitely interesting. It would have been cooler to see them original, but I do kind of think it is neat.
Yeah, these used to be Lexan originally.
Yeah, I could tell, yes, by the Otis logo on the door track.
And they have the disappearing indicator too.
Yeah. They had the fixtures replaced before.
Yep, you're good.
On. I want to try and get a different car.
Okay.
I guess.
There we go. Oh, cool. There we go.
Oh, going to 34.
All right. Let me stand in the corner, please. Yeah, these. Oh God, Alex! All right, now we gotta get out.
Sorry. Oops.
If I smell that, I'm gonna tackle you. Now the air freshener went off.
Oh my God.
Okay.
The air freshener went off.
Let's go back to the lobby. Let's get a cab view. Very nice smell ovator, I should say.
Hello.
You going
Sounds
down?
about right.
Lobby. There's your old Otis logo there.
Yeah, I can tell it's one of the first touchscreens, actually. I think I may have ridden another set of these new Otises with that touchscreen. These are fast.
Not really, but they are nice though.
I guess they go a reasonable speed, but that's it.
Want to do maybe one more trip on these? You gonna up?
Yeah.
Which one would you like?
Number 20, please.
What sunk a bit before going up?
Clean run.
And here we are. All right, you have a good one.
Thank you very much.
You too.
Have a good one. I hope they didn't smell it.
So this one's not key carded?
This one, I mean, I think it's supposed to be, but it's just not activated on this one. Anyway, I want to take a look at the call button up here real quick.
They didn't replace any call buttons up here.
Yeah, I think all of the call buttons are original.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, these are from the previous slap-on mod. See,
Lanterns
Otis
are
call
new.
button.
Lanterns are new though.
Yeah. Do you know if the service elevators here are original or modded?
They're modded with keypad DD.
I figured as much.
Thyssenkrupp.
Yeah, Escalator Geek 881 actually filmed him original, but he deleted his video.
Oh, he did?
Because, well, he deleted pretty much his whole channel.
Seriously?
Yeah, that's a shame.
Hey. Oh, Escalator Geek 881.
Yes, we survived his fart attack.
Oh, man. I thought you said Music for ECC.
Well, he did film these too, but he didn't film the services, I don't think. Alright, and here we are. These were nice, I will say.
They even kept the old logo too, which is nice.
Yeah.
Oh, boy.
The interlocks are original too. That is so cool. Wow. Anyways, there it goes. That is so cool. And that'll